welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Tashai. Today we're going to do a wig review, which is kind of different for me because if you guys know anything about me, I make all my wigs myself. So this time we're going to be trying out an actual lace front wig. So the wig we're going to try today is from ReadyWig. It's actually a synthetic wig, you guys. I've been wanting to try a synthetic wig for a while because I've seen a few like companies pop up you know, producing synthetic wigs, and some of them have been looking quite good. So I'm like, you know what, let me have a try. So you open it up, it has a really nice box. It comes with haircut instructions. It also came with a wig cap in the box. I mean, it's not my skin tone, but any wig cap is welcome in this household because you just never know. I don't know what to call it, like a little mini spray bottle. I guess it's to refresh the hair. And then it came with the actual wig. So you guys, this is red hair. Like, I don't wear colored hair, so I thought, you know what, let me get out of my comfort zone and wear something different and slay something different. So this is the wig. You can definitely tell synthetic, especially with the lights on. I'm gonna have to work my magic. As far as the construction of the wig, it's really good. The lace is really nice as well. It has a stretch to it. I'm really happy with the lace base because sometimes when you buy like ready-made wigs or lace front wigs from any company, the parting space will be like this much, and for me that is really too limiting for me because that means I can only wear one part, whereas with this wig I could probably switch to a middle part, a side part, you know, do a little something there. So yeah, it's 24 inches, so it is pretty long. You guys know I like my long length, so that's just a bit of me. It has a nice body to it as well. So yeah, we're going to play with this wig and secure it and see what we can do.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, so I look absolutely insane. Apart from the way my lace looks, the color is actually quite popping. Like, I'm quite excited. It really is a good fit. I have a really small head, if you guys cannot tell. I have a tiny head. Like, I think my head is like 21 or 22 circumference, and I actually didn't stitch anything or add any elastics to make this wig fit. I literally used, you guys know, at the back of wigs it has like that the two elastics at the back that you kind of hook together. So really happy with that. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that it fits around my ears. So I'm going to pull this forward, and then I'm literally just going to kind of mark where my ear is. So I'm going to do it around here. So, and I tried to kind of do like an ear motion to do like a curved thing. Now we just have to start getting it to stick down. I'm actually going to use some cutting scissors, and I'm not going to cut off too much first. I'm just going to cut off like the excess lace. This is where the wig starts, maybe like an inch forward with the eyelash scissors, because these cut like they're not straight, they kind of cut jaggedy. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on sticking down this side. I'm gonna stick it down from my got to be like I usually did. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get my blow dryer and put it on the cool heat and just blow this down. I go on top of it with my got to be spray, and then we're just going to lay it all down. just gonna cut all the excess off. So far, the lace looks pretty good. I definitely feel like I'm gonna cut more. I don't know if you guys can tell because it's melted quite well, but I definitely feel like I could cut more. Let that dry for a second, and then we're gonna lay it down. Okay, so the wig is all got to be down. Now I'm just going to use my blow dryer and literally just tie down the head tie around the front, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to see how this wig looks. Okay, so now I'm going to take this head tie off. It hasn't even been on for that long. It's been on for about 5 minutes, but you know you can't be arsed, like you just want to get your hair done. Okay, so what I wanted to do was get myself some baby hairs. I'm gonna use my Got To Be Black gel. I use more the Got To Be gel because the mousse really doesn't keep anything down. So now I'm going to do my front baby hairs. Let's get this out of the way so we can finish styling the hair. It's a heat friendly fiber, restylable under 180 degrees or Celsius, so perfect. I'm going to plug in my straightener and just go through it a little bit. It has become a little bit tangly since I've been like plucking and doing my hair, so I'm gonna go through it and see how it acts. I have been like pulling it a little bit, like quite a bit, so I'm expecting a bit of shedding. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna go through it with the straightener. The heat actually has made it way more silky and easy to put my hands to, as you guys can see, rather than this side, which is a little bit more rough. So yeah, this is the wig on my head. It's proper sleek, flat and everything. I think what I'm gonna do, use some Got To Be, kind of pushing it up because it's a little bit in my face, and it's kind of annoying my lashes, so I'm waiting for that to dry down. But yeah, this is the hair. It is quite shiny. Now I've seen somebody do this trick where they put a little bit of powder on their hair to like get rid of the shininess, so I'm going to actually do the same. I'm gonna go in, I think, in my Fenty powder because that's a really light powder and it's not too white and pastel-y. I'm gonna use like a big brush. I'm just gonna like see if it makes a difference. This is this side with some powder in it, and then this is this side with no powder. What do you guys think? I feel like the colour is like much more vibrant on this side, and then the colour is a little bit less vibrant because of the powder. I definitely think the powder made the hair look much more like virgin hair. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the powder. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think is a huge difference between this side, which has nothing on it, just the synthetic hair, and this side, which has a little bit of powder? I'm gonna go with the powder side. Probably will end up putting some like got to be spray or something on it, because if you guys see them flyaways just like blew up. But yeah, this is the red hair. I'm still kind of like, I don't know, but I think it looks pretty good. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, this whole like unit does not look like a synthetic unit. I mean, my actual like part could be a little bit more my skin tone, but I think it's kind of hard to do with red hair because it's not, you know, it's not your natural color. That is all I'm gonna do for this wig right now. I definitely feel like I could get some excess lace off in this area. You guys can probably see it because I've been up close to the camera, and maybe like cut off a little bit here, but those are just little last minute tweaks that I would do. But it looks good, it feels good, it's still very smooth. The ends are the ones that start going scraggly the most, so I would say just flat iron it a little bit more. As I said, it can take heat up to, well, below 180 degrees, which is good, so you can always like just go over your hair if you need to. You have so much parting space. Like, the lace comes like all the way down here, like this is all lace, and then the side is also lace too, and the rest are tracks at the back. I think it's a good density. I don't think you'd want more density than this for a synthetic wig because it'll just be too much to deal with and too much to handle. But yeah, overall, like, the color is amazing. If you want to try something different before you like completely invest in some virgin hair, then I definitely say get you one of these wigs. Every time I've been on the website, they have some type of discount. I know they have a Halloween discount right now too, so if you want to have a look on the website, go ahead. But yeah, I guess that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.